Welcome to Class 5 Mathematics. Let us see few exercise problems in factors and multiples. Let us see few sums in exercise 3.5. So the first sum is find the LCM by the prime factorization method. So how do you find LCM? Let us see. The given number is 18, 27. So prime factorization means you will factorize by using the factor tree. So what are the prime factors of 18? It is 2 into 3 into 3. And what are the prime factors of 27? It is 3 into 3 into 3. Then afterwards what you will do? You will circle the common factors. Here the common factors are 3 and another 3 also is common. So when you take down and write LCM, you will write the common factors as well as the non-common factors. You will multiply the common factors only once. So the LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54. So the LCM of 18, 27 is 54. Let us see the next sum in LCM by prime factorization method. The sum is 40, 32. So you will find out the prime factors for 40. So what are the prime factors for 40? It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then find out the prime factors for 32. So the prime factors of 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here you will circle the common factors. You have 3 common factors, 2 into 2 into 2, and you will write the non-common factors also. So into 5 into 2 into 2. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. So when you multiply, you get the product as 160. Let us see another sum. 15, 25, 30. So you will first find the prime factors of 15. The prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5. Then the prime factors of 25, 5 into 5. And the prime factors of 30 is 3 into 2 into 5. So you will circle the common factors here. So 3 is common and 5 is common. Take down and write it down. And then what are the factors that are not common? Take that also and write. So LCM will be 3 into 5 into 5 into 2. So the product will be 150. The next sum is 12, 15, 40. So the prime factors for 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. And the prime factors for 15 is 3 into 5. And the prime factors of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So you will circle the common factors. So 2 is common, again 2 is common, you could see 3 is common and also 5 is common. So all the common factors and the non-common factors you will take down and write it as the product. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. When you multiply, you get the LCM as 120. Let us see the next sum. Find the LCM by the short division method. So you will find the LCM by another method. So it is short division, or you can also say it as L division. So you will divide this 10, 15 and 25 by short division method. So first step is to divide the number by their smallest common prime factor and write the quotient below them. If a number cannot be divided exactly, you can take down and write the number as it is. So we will start dividing the number by their smallest common prime factor. So the smallest common prime factor is 2. So you start with 2. So when you divide 10 by 2, you get 5 as the quotient. Write 5 below 10. 15 and 25 cannot be divided by 2. So you will write as it is. Then the next smallest prime factor is 3. We will start dividing by 3. So you cannot divide 5 by 3. So copy the number as it is. So 15, when you divide by 3, it is 5. And 25 you will write as it is. Next you will write the smallest common prime factor. It is 5. So you will start dividing by 5. So 5 ones are 5, again 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. Stop when there is no common prime factor. So again you have 5 here, you write 5 as the common prime factor and you start dividing. So the LCM will be 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. The product is 150. Let us see another sum, 72, 32. So you will start dividing by the smallest common prime factor and write the quotient below them. Then you have to continue dividing by the common prime factors, writing the quotient below each number until you get no common prime factor. So the LCM for 72, 32 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So the product will be 288. Let us see the next sum, 14, 16, 8. So you will do it in the form of short division method. So the smallest common factor, prime factor is 2 here. So you start dividing by 2. 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8. Again you divide by 2. Write the number 7 as it is and divide 8 by 2. 4 2s are 8 and 4 by 2 it is 2 2s are 4. Then again you write the smallest common prime factor as 2. 2 2s are 4 and 1 2s are 2. Again you divide by 2 and you will get 7, 1, 1. Then take 7 as the smallest common prime factor and you start dividing. So now you have no common prime factor. So you will stop with this. Okay. So the LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, which is nothing but 112. Let us see another sum, 21, 14, 35. So again you will divide by the smallest common prime factor. So you take 2 and you write 21 as it is, as you cannot divide 21 by 2. Then next number is 14. So 7 2s are 14. Copy the number 35 as it is. Next you will divide the number by 3. So 7 3s are 21. Write the number 7 as it is and 35 also as it is. So next you will divide the number by 5. So copy the number 7 and 7 as it is and you divide 35 by 5. You will get 7 as the quotient right below 35. Then again you will divide these numbers by the common prime factor 7. So the LCM will be 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, which is nothing but 210. Let us see the solutions for the homework problems. So the product of two given number is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. This is the statement. So this is what we are going to prove. So the given number is 10 and 15. First you need to find out the product of 10 and 15 and you have to prove that the product of their HCF and LCM is same. So first you will find out the product of 10 and 15. So it is 150. Then find out the HCF of 10 and 15 by whatever method you want. You can find out either by factors method or prime factorization method or long division method. So the factors of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10 and the factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. So then you circle the common factors, it is 5. So the highest common factor is 5 here. Then you will find the LCM of 10 and 15. So you can do by any method, either by prime factorization method or short division method. So the LCM of 10 and 15 is 2 into 3 into 5, that is equal to 30. So the product of HCF and LCM is equal to 5 into 30 is equal to 150. Hence the statement is proved that the product of two given number is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. The next homework sum is 9, 15. So the product of two numbers is equal to 9 into 15, that is 135. Now you will find the HCF of 9, 15. So the factors of 9 is 1, 3, 9 and factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. So circle the common factors here. The highest common factor is equal to 3. Then LCM of 9, 15 is prime factors of 9 is 3 into 3 and the prime factors of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. So the common factor is 3 here. So LCM is equal to 3 into 5 into 3. We have to multiply the common factors as well as the non-common factors for LCM. So LCM is equal to 45. So the product of their HCF and LCM is equal to 3 into 45, which is nothing but 135. Hence the statement is proved. Let us discuss the solutions for the homework. Find the LCM by prime factorization method. For the sum 10, 15 and 20, the LCM is 60, and for 20, 30 and 50, the LCM is 100, and when you find by short division method, the LCM is 378. With this, we have finished this chapter. Thank you, children.